That's exactly what Martha Ramirez from Mesa, Arizona wanted to know. Just weeks before she rolled over $472,610 from her 401k into a gold IRA. And she's not alone. Because while the headlines scream about tech stocks rallying and crypto surging again, there's something happening beneath the surface that most retirees are missing. Just this past week, the IMF issued a warning that global debt is nearing record highs again. Inflation is still sticking around, even though the Fed says it's under control. And despite a strong jobs report, over 60% of Americans now say they feel financially insecure about retirement. So, is gold still the safe haven it's known to be? Let's unpack that, because the answer might surprise you. For starters, let's be honest, no investment is bulletproof. But here's what we do know. Every time economic uncertainty spikes, like during the 2008 crash or the pandemic chaos of 2020, gold doesn't just hold its value, it rises. And right now, in 2025, we're seeing the same warning signs. A shaky banking sector, rising geopolitical tensions with China and Russia, and whispers of a digital dollar that could change everything about how we store and spend money. That's why more retirees are hedging their nest eggs with a gold IRA. And that's exactly what Martha did. She's 67, a retired dental hygienist, spent decades playing by the rules, maxing out her contributions, being responsible. But when her portfolio lost nearly $88,000 last year, while interest rates climbed and inflation refused to back down, she knew something had to change. So she took the first step. She requested a free gold IRA guide, the one I'll tell you about in just a second. No gimmicks, no silver coins, just a plain English breakdown of how a gold IRA actually works, and a one-on-one educational call to answer her questions. That guide was the beginning of her pivot. Today, a portion of her retirement is now protected by real, physical gold, not some paper asset that disappears when the market drops. So back to the big question. Are gold IRAs still safe in 2025? The short answer, yes, if you understand what they are. A gold IRA isn't about chasing growth. It's about stability. It's about protecting your purchasing power in times when the dollar's value is falling, and confidence in traditional markets is shaky at best. It's not for everyone. But if you've got over $100,000 in a retirement account, and you've been watching the news, seeing inflation nibble away at your savings, it might be the smartest move you can make. Because here's the truth. No one wants to say out loud, we're not going back to the economy we had 10 years ago. The rules are changing, fast. So what worked in 2015 might not protect you in 2025. That's why I always say this, don't guess, get educated. If you're even thinking about a gold IRA, take 30 seconds right now and click the link below to get your free gold IRA guide and schedule your no obligation educational call. There's no pressure, no high pressure sales, just a quick conversation with someone who understands what you've built and how to help you protect it. You work too hard to build your retirement, to leave it vulnerable now. Click the link, get the guide, protect your future. And remember Martha? Her journey started with that free guide. Yours can too. Because peace of mind isn't about beating the market. It's about knowing no matter what happens next, your future is protected.